Welcome to the Confident English Podcast, a cozy space where learning English feels easy and confident.
Hello, my friend.
It is so nice to see you. Alex is here too. Hello, Alex. How are you today?
Hello, Sophie. Hello, friend. I feel good, calm, happy to be here.
That is wonderful, Alex. I feel calm too. Very peaceful.
Yes, peaceful is good. We can talk slowly, very slowly.
Yes, we can. Friend, you can follow us. You can subscribe. It is free.
And you can leave a comment. We love to read your words.
Today, we talk about your day. Just your day. Simple. Easy.
Your day. Yes. Morning, afternoon, evening. Very simple.
Let us start with morning. The morning sun.
Morning. I wake up. I open my eyes slowly.
I wake up too. I stretch my arms. I feel the bed. Soft. Warm.
Then I sit up. My feet touch the floor. Cool floor.
I stand up. I walk to the window. I look outside.
What do you see? Trees? Sky? Birds?
I see blue sky. Maybe a bird. Maybe a cloud. It is nice.
Yes, very nice. Then I go to the kitchen. I make tea or coffee.
I like coffee. The smell is good. Warm smell.
I drink my coffee slowly. I feel awake now, more awake.
After coffee, I brush my teeth. Fresh feeling. Clean teeth.
I brush too. Then I wash my face. Cold water. Wake up more.
Then I get dressed. Simple clothes. Comfortable clothes.
Yes, comfortable is good. Then I eat breakfast, something small.
I eat toast. Or fruit. Maybe an egg. Simple food.
Simple food is good. Not too much, just enough.
After breakfast, I check my phone. Just for a minute.
I check too. Messages, news, but not too long.
Then I leave my home. I go out. The day starts.
Yes, the day starts. I walk, or I take the bus, or I drive.
I like to walk. I see people. I see shops. I see life.
Walking is good. Fresh air. Good for the body. Good for the mind.
On the bus, I sit. I look outside. I think. Or I listen to music.
Music is nice. Soft music. Calm music.
Then I arrive. At work, or at school, or at a friend's house.
I arrive too. I say hello. I smile. Hello is important.
Yes, a smile, a hello, it changes the day, makes it lighter.
Then I start my day. I do my work. One thing at a time.
One thing at a time. Yes, not too fast, just steady.
I write. I talk. I listen. I help. Simple actions.
I do the same. Simple actions. All day long.
Sometimes I drink water. I stand up. I stretch.
Good idea. Water is important. Stretching feels good.
At lunchtime, I eat. I talk with friends, or I sit quietly.
I like quiet lunch. Just me and my food. Peaceful.
Quiet is good, or talk is good too. Both are okay.
After lunch, the day continues. More work, more small things.
Yes, small things. Answering messages, making lists, doing tasks.
The sun moves. The light changes. Afternoon comes.
Afternoon light is soft, golden sometimes, beautiful.
I notice the light. I take a breath. I keep going.
Me too. A breath, a pause, then continue, gently.
Then the day ends. Work is done. Time to go home.
Going home feels good. My place, my space, safe.
I walk home or take the bus. I see the evening sky.
Evening sky, pink, orange, purple, so pretty.
I arrive home. I take off my shoes. Relief.
Yes, shoes off, feet happy.
I make dinner. Something simple. Soup, rice, vegetables.
Simple dinner is best. Easy to make, easy to eat.
I eat slowly. I taste my food. I feel thankful.
Thankful for food, for home, for a good day.
After dinner, I clean a little. Just a few minutes.
A little cleaning helps. Tomorrow is easier.
Then I relax. I sit on the sofa. I read or watch something.
I like to listen to music, soft songs, calm voices.
Or I talk to someone. A call, a message, a friend.
Talking to a friend feels warm, like a hug.
Yes, a word hug. That is nice.
Then night comes. The sky is dark. Stars appear.
I look at the stars. Sometimes I see one, twinkling.
Stars are quiet, peaceful, like a soft blanket.
I feel tired. My body says rest. My mind says rest.
Rest is important. We need rest to be ready for tomorrow.
I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. Ready for bed.
Same here. Simple routine signals the body sleep time.
I put on comfortable clothes, soft pajamas, cozy socks.
Cozy socks are the best. Warm feet, happy heart.
I get into bed. The sheets are cool. The pillow is soft.
I lie down. I close my eyes. I breathe slowly.
I think about my day, just a little, the good moments.
A small smile, a kind word, a pretty sky, little joys.
Then I let go. No more thinking, just resting.
Just resting. The day is done. It was enough.
It was enough. Yes, that is a good thought.
Enough is good. You are enough. Your English is enough.
Your English is good, so good. Keep going, gently.
One word at a time. One sentence. One day.
Let's practice. Talking about your day. Very simple.
You can say, I wake up. I eat. I go.
I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
I come home. I eat. I relax. I sleep.
See? So simple. You can do this.
You can say it now, in your mind or out loud.
I wake up. I eat. I go.
I come home. I eat. I sleep. You did it.
Wonderful. That was perfect.
No mistakes. Just practice. Just trying. That's learning.
Learning is gentle, like walking in soft grass.
Step by step, breath by breath, word by word.
If you forget a word, it is okay. Just pause, breathe.
Think of a simple word, any word, say that.
For example, morning. You can say morning, sun, coffee.
Or bus, work, friend, lunch, home, dinner, bed.
Just words, like stones on a path, one after another.
Your path, your words, your pace, always your pace.
Never rush, never worry. Your English is growing.
Growing slowly, like a plant, with water, with light.
with practice, with kindness, with patience.
Be kind to yourself. Speak gently to yourself.
You are learning. That's brave. That's beautiful.
Every day you learn, even a little, it counts.
It all counts. Every word, every try, every breath.
Let's talk about yesterday. Just a little, simple past.
Yesterday, I woke up, I drank coffee, I walked.
Yesterday, I worked. I talked to a friend. I cooked.
Simple. I woke up, I drank, I walked.
I worked. I talked. I cooked. Easy.
You can try. Yesterday, I...
However you say it, it is perfect because it is yours.
Your story, your day, your words, that is what matters.
Not perfect grammar, not big words, just you.
Just you, sharing your day. That is a gift.
A gift to us, a gift to yourself.
Thank you for sharing, even if just in your heart.
Especially in your heart. That is where it starts.
From the heart, words flow, simple, true, real.
Real words, real life. That is our English.
Our English, for daily life, for connection, for you,
For you, my friend. Always for you.
always.
Let us recap. Very gently.
Morning, wake up, coffee, breakfast.
Day. Go out. Work. Walk. Talk.
Evening, home, dinner, relax.
Night. Rest. Sleep. Dream.
Simple, clear, easy to remember.
You can say this anytime, anywhere.
In the shower, on the bus, before sleep.
Practice makes it easier. Practice makes it yours.
And it is okay to repeat. Repetition is good.
Repeat with me. I wake up.
I wake up. I eat.
I eat. I go.
I go. I come home.
I come home. I sleep.
We did it. Together.
Together is good. You are not alone.
Never alone. We are here, with you.
Always with you on this path.
Step by step, word by word.
You are doing so well. So well.
Proud of you, truly.
Friend, if you enjoyed this, you can like this episode.
Yes, you can like it. It helps us. It helps others find us.
And you can leave a comment. Tell us about your day.
Just one sentence. I woke up. I drank tea. I smiled.
We will read it. We will smile. We will be happy.
And you can subscribe so you never miss a cozy chat.
New episodes just for you. Slow, simple, warm.
Like this one. Always like this one.
Thank you for being here, for listening, for trying.
Thank you for trusting us, for sharing your time.
Your time is precious. We honor it, always.
We speak slowly so you can breathe, so you can understand.
So you can feel confident, calm, safe.
Safe to try, safe to make mistakes, safe to learn.
Mistakes are friends. They show us the way.
Every mistake is a step forward.
Keep stepping, gently, kindly, patiently.
You have everything you need right now.
Your voice, your heart, your courage.
And simple words like these.
Like, I am, I can, I will.
I am learning. I can do this. I will keep going.
Yes, say that, feel that.
I am learning. I can do this. I will keep going.
Beautiful. So beautiful.
That is the end of our chat today, but not the end of your day.
Your day continues with your words, with your peace.
Carry this calm with you like a small light.
A small light inside, steady, warm, yours.
Thank you, friend, for this time, for this connection.
We are so grateful, truly.
Until next time, be gentle with yourself.
Speak kindly, move slowly, breathe deeply.
And remember, your English is enough. You are enough.
Always enough. Always.
Goodbye for now, friend.
Goodbye. See you soon.